Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Trailbone Designs by B Rowe. Today we're going to discuss my favorite trends for weddings for 2020. Here you can see one of my favorite trends is going to be the garden themed corsage. This is adorned with two types of flowers and greenery, as well as a satin band to tie, as well as the statement bouquet with multiple types of greenery, and it's a free-flowing bouquet. This is definitely on trend for 2020. Pampas grass. You'll see this a lot in arrangements for this year. It's very popular and on trend. The flower aisle runner. This is definitely a must-have for 2020 for any wedding or special event. The colors this year are really fun and vibrant. Here you can see cinnamon and mauve, and this color palette is on trend. And then if you want to go lighter, the blush and ivory tones, as well as sage, is definitely on trend for this year as well. The new color this year is terracotta. It's more on the neutral side of things, but it's really beautiful and will go with several other accents. Here's a few things that I do. Run Italian ruscus or any greenery down the center of the table. And then here is a free-form garden arrangement. These are definitely on trend for this year. As you can see here, a oblong-shaped arrangement really brings this together. Well, this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for coming onto my channel, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads. I'll see you guys next time.